Here are some last minute tips if you haven't filed your taxes yet. Just a reminder, due to the holiday this year, taxes are not really due on April 15th. They're actually due April 18th. Now, make sure that you check on your state taxes, but most states, I'm assuming and believing, are going to be due the same date as the federal tax filing. Keep in mind, the standard deduction for 2022 for a single individual is almost $13,000 and married filing joint is almost $26,000. What does that mean? That means if you had income below that number, you are probably not going to owe any tax if you even have to file at all. Check the IRS website for further details. Make sure that you check into things that would apply and compare and contrast between the standard deduction and itemized deductions. Itemized deductions would be indicated if you were highly charitable, if you have heavy mortgage interest, and things like that. Many tax credits are available today, from the earned income credit to college tax credits, education credits, including the American Opportunity Credit. Lastly, if you're struggling to pay your tax obligation, don't just bury your head in the sand. Prepare your tax return and file it so you can quantify what you owe. Then, the second thing to consider is one of two things. If you just need a little bit of time to come up with the money to pay IRS, use your tax professional to contact IRS and ask for a short extension of time, up to 120 days, to pay IRS. It's going to minimize the amount of penalties and interest that you would otherwise pay. Now, if the amount is out of range and you're going to need a length of time, you can request from IRS an installment agreement plan, which could give you up to 60 months to pay that tax in full. And remember, it's not too late to get your stuff together for next year. Start now so that next year is not as stressful. Put the systems and the processes in place. Good luck and talk to you soon.